Speak you're paying a VA $5,000 a month. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash this $50 n8n workflow replaces 80% of that. n8n is an automation platform. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash plug in AI nodes, GPT-4o, Claude, and it becomes an agent. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash one that never clocks out. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash your inbox. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash 200 emails a day. n8n reads every one. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash classifies them, support, sales, spam. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash drafts replies that actually match the context. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash pings you only on the tough ones. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash GPT-4o handles this for under $1 a day. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash drop a comment. How many emails is your team buried in? Here's what nobody tells you about the part VAs hate most. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash before every call. n8n scrapes LinkedIn, checks your CRM, drops a briefing straight into Notion. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash 30 minutes before. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash every single time. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash automatic. Versus break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash make.com. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash n8n runs 20 to 40% faster on community benchmarks. Versus break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash Zapier. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash more AI flexibility, plus a self-hosting option. Versus hiring. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash under $100 a month versus 5,000. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash which would you actually pick? Pricing. n8n free. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash 2,500 executions a month. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash starter. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash $20. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash pro. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash $50. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash add AI API costs roughly $30 a month at 500 emails a day. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash total stack. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash under $100. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash your VA. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash 5,000. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash score. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash 9 out of 10. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash best fit for ops managers at 5 to 30 person companies replacing email triage, meeting prep, and data entry VAs. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash one real warning. Break time equals n quote 300 ms n quote slash workflows break silently when APIs go down. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash set up error alerts or you'll lose days of data. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash skip it for HIPAA regulated data. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash zero tech background. Use Lindy AI at $49 a month instead. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash drop your current automation stack in the comments. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash link in the description. Break time equals n quote 600 ms n quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews slash speak.